In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an experience on LinkedIn. This process is straightforward and will take you just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on LinkedIn's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this in a couple of ways: by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password directly into the login fields. If you've set up two-factor authentication, which is a great way to add an extra layer of security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. Go ahead and do that so you can proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your profile. Look for your profile picture, usually located at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. Click on it, then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your professional experiences and achievements are showcased. Once on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Experience section. This section lists all the jobs and roles you've added over your career. Carefully identify the specific job experience you would like to delete. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure you're picking the right experience, as removing it will wipe out all the associated details from your public profile. Next, look for a small pencil icon right next to the experience you want to edit or delete. This icon signifies the edit function. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the editing window for that experience, presenting various fields you previously filled in. With the edit window open, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll find the option to delete experience clearly labeled. Clicking this button will prepare the item for deletion, but don't worry, you'll still have one final opportunity to back out if you've had second thoughts. Lastly, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this experience. If you're certain, click delete to confirm your decision, and just like that, the experience will be removed from your profile. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an experience from your LinkedIn profile. Remember, keeping your profile up to date and accurate is key, so think carefully while managing the information you share. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.